Sunscreen or moisturizer?
Both,
Retinol or vitamin C?
depending upon the age.
Korean skincare or medical skincare?
Medical skincare, because you are not a Korean.
Face wash or a gentle soap?
Face wash, but not daily.
Sheet mask or clay mask?
Sheet masks.
Makeup or skincare?
Skincare.
Hi everyone, you're watching Awaz the Voice and I am Yasmin Khan, and in today's interview we have been joined by Dr. Ruhina Mattu, who is a dermatologist, and she has a long history of treating patients, and the reviews we got from the patients are actually very real, and that forced us to come here and talk to her based on the skin, the problems that people are facing these days. Thank you, ma'am, for sparing your time for this interview.
You're really welcome. It's a pleasure.
The first question is, like, people here come for the treatment of their skin. So what are the most cases that you get about the skin, the problems that people come up with? What is something that's very common in Kashmir?
Hyperpigmentation, melasma. I think that is the pressing problem the girls face today.
And how do you solve it? Like, what procedures are involved?
It really depends upon your age, in which slot you fall, and what is your history, professional history. Are you an outdoor person? Are you a teacher who is in the school standing in sunshine in the morning prayers? Are you an indoor person who is an IT savvy kid who is staying up for late nights? And the most important factor is the kind of life you are living. If you have too much stress, anxiety, which is, I think, one of the main reasons not to be able to deal with the life, not to be able to deal with the pressures, the fireballs the life throws at us. It increases the cortisol, and cortisol has a direct effect on melanocytes. They become hyperactive and melasma happens. Although the Kashmiris are blessed with beautiful skin, yet they burn fast and the pigmentation happens very fast. But the good news is it is correctable.
Okay, what are the 3 biggest mistakes people do in their skincare routine?
Following hacks from YouTube, falling into the gimmicks, the gimmicks of some companies which give their products in beautiful packages, especially the Gen Z. They think that Fala Star is the brand ambassador of this brand, and they really believe that a star is using that product. It never happens that way. They are using something else, but they are getting money for being the ambassador of any product, and the kids fall for it. And when they completely damage their skin, only then they come to a dermat and take the opinion. They don't understand. They have to first analyze the skin to understand what is your skin type, which is the product, and how to use it. Just blindly following it.
Okay, so what is that one myth regarding skincare that you want to debunk?
There are so many myths. But one myth I really want to debunk is that I'm using a sunscreen early in the morning and I'm driving the car whole day in the sun and I'm protected. It doesn't happen that way. If you are out in the sun for the whole day and you think that one sunscreen early morning you are applying is umbrella protecting against the sun, it doesn't happen. You burn yourself fast.
I want to know, if you use expensive products, does it really heal your skin, or there are other ways around?
See, it is a question, very good question. Like people who are taking very expensive supplements and the people who are taking very healthy food, which is the best? I think the one who's taking healthy food. If you mean by expensive skin products, they are going to help you. No, right kind of products. Right kind of products and products which I trust, any dermat trusts. We can't give like vitamin C, it can be for 6,000, it can be for 600. It can be for 1,000. It can range to 1,800. Only a dermat knows what is the best. Taking an expert opinion.
Yeah. So before this question, we were talking about sunscreens. So I would like to ask the amount of sunscreen one must use if somebody is into outdoor work, like whatever he's doing. Also, which sunscreen is the best, because there are plenty of sunscreens in the market and we don't know which one is the best.
I know the markets are flooded. आप हर जगह जाओगे, the shelves are full of sunscreen. पहली बात, now it is mandatory. School-going kids should use a moisturizer and a sunscreen. What kind of sunscreen? That your dermat will tell you what is best for the kids. Kids who don't use moisturizer and sunscreens are prone to have skin problems when they reach 17, 18. Kids whose mothers are well versed, well educated about the skin health care, using right kinds of baths, right kinds of soaps, right kinds of moisturizers and sunscreen, and giving their kids a very hydrating, balanced food. Those kids are the ones who will have less skin issues. Regarding the adults, sunscreens, if you ask me which is the best sunscreen, that's not a right kind of a question. Depends upon what kind of skin you have. If you have an oily skin, the sunscreen will be completely different. If you have a very dry skin, the sunscreen will be very different. If you have a normal skin, the sunscreen will be very different. The most important question is how to apply. Now we have sunscreen primers which can be used as a primer, and you coat it with a moisturizer and a tint, especially for the girls who are going to office and they have melasma, and melasma can't be cured overnight. It takes time. It takes 2 months. Sometimes it can happen in 20 days only. I have seen patients in my clinic who have surprised me with 90% cure in 10 days only. But there are cases who have really disappointed me. It took me 3 months to clear the melasma. So I tell you, there are different strokes for different folks. So how your skin reacts, what kind of a skin and category you fall into, then I decide the sunscreen. Sometimes I had a patient just now leaving who was cured 100%, no melasma, and suddenly he went to Jammu. Being a male, he forgot using the sunscreen. He forgot it at home. I told him you should have bought it there in Jammu. He didn't, and today he came back completely skin burned. So being a male, I can't give him a tint because that will make him look very bad. So I had to give him a primer sunscreen, and then I had to add a moisturizer and the sunscreen as a top coat. And then I told him, take a sunscreen spray. If you are driving, put a spray or a stick if you are driving for 3-4 hours.
Also about the SPF.
See, SPF 50 is more than enough. But when you are, again, I'm saying it again and again, depending upon your profession, for a person like me who is sitting in the comfort of my clinic, even I have a very dry skin which won't be showing because I take a lot of care. I'll use a primer sunscreen, and then the additional coat will be moisturizer and a tint. For a person who is out on the roads, I would rather say they carry a stick. After every 4 hours, 3 hours, reapply your sunscreen.
So let's talk about acne now. I think in our age, like when we are 12 to 17, so we get acne, which is quite obvious. But why are people in their 30s, 40s still getting acne?
Many reasons are there. Lifestyle, food habits, and if they are not properly cleansing their skin, like you said, face wash, which is enough. Use it once in a day. But cleanser, when you go to sleep, cleanse your skin. दिन भर की जो भी थकावट, धूल, मिट्टी, your pores, they need to breathe. While you are sleeping, your pores and skin is a living thing. We shed that upper coat of the skin, epidermis. So cleanse the skin. If there are patients who do get acne because of PCOD, hormonal imbalance. Again, I am telling you, stress. One of the main reasons I have seen girls 32, 35, getting flare-ups in and around the cycles, because again the hormonal. Then there are girls who are 28, clean skin, and suddenly life takes a bad turn and they lose hair.
Yeah.
Their skin becomes dull and they start having an acne. So stress, how to deal with life. My advice for this generation be, there's a song, baby calm down.
Yeah.
Calm down. So I tell them, just calm down. Calm down. There are certain things in life which you can't control, which are beyond you. They are destined to happen. Take them with dignity. Like if I lost my mother, I didn't have a father. My mother brought me up. She was a sun, I was orbiting around her. She just simply passed out in a jiffy. She didn't give me a chance, Like death doesn't give it a chance. I accepted it with grace. I let it go because it wasn't in my hands to stop her. But I'm trying to be the best version of myself for her. I am trying to be her in many ways. इसी तरह जो आजकल की लड़कियां हैं, जो बच्चे हैं, कभी एग्ज़ाम में फेल होते हैं, अभी नीट का किस्सा हुआ था, या आपके ससुराल में 5 बंदे हैं, they are completely different than you. You are coming from a different background. They are in their comfort zone. You are leaving your comfort zone and going there. Overnight, you don't expect to blend with them and to accept you wholeheartedly. It means a lot of homework. There are girls who have small little issues in love marriages also with their partners, as certainly their boyfriend becomes a husband and he's a changed person and they don't know how to deal with it. And they go into anxiety and depression, because when the girls come here, they talk a lot with me, and I understand life throws fireballs at everybody. It depends. जिंदगी पत्थर मारेगी, उन पत्थरों को जमा करो, एक कासल बनाओ, उनके नीचे मत दबो. There are girls who are going to a psychiatrist for small issues and taking antidepressants, while the hero lies in you. आपसे भी बुरे केसेस है. आप सोरा जाइए ऑन्कोलॉजी में, फिर देखिए छोटे छोटे बच्चे लिकीमिया से जूझ रहे हैं, ब्रेन ट्यूमर से जूझ रहे हैं. उनका कोई ज़िंदगी में फॉल्ट ही नहीं था. वो होते हैं ज़िंदगी के बहुत बड़े मसले, व्हेन यू लूज़ हेल्थ. बाकी छोटी मोटी चीज़ों को हैंडल करना सीखना है. हम देखते हैं लड़के खुदकशी कर रहे हैं, लड़कियां ज़िंदगी का वैल्यू ही ख़त्म कर दिया.
Exactly.
You were put on earth not for drama and party. This is exam. ये तुम्हारा इम्तिहान है. जन्नत और जहन्नम कैसे मिलेगी तुम्हें?
Okay. So
you have to work
people
hard.
Are really stressing out, no?
Distress, declutter. बातें सुनो मगर दामन को झटकना भी सीख लो. Don't collect it. हलम छुनो दारुन. Okay, I'm collecting and no, leave it.
Okay, so the kind of environment you are living in also affects your skin, no?
It affects your overall health. Gut health. बाल गिरते हैं, झुर्रियाँ पड़ती हैं, मेलाज़मा होता है, और आप मुरझाए हुए गुलाब की तरह बन जाती है. और सडनली जब उससे हम राइट काइंड ऑफ बातें करते हैं, व्हेन आई टॉक टू माय पेशेंट्स एंड टेल सर्टेन थिंग्स टू देम एंड गिव देम एन आउटसाइडर्स व्यू, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो कि किस फैमिली से आते हैं, क्या है. आई एम एन आउटसाइडर. आई एम ओपनिंग सम न्यू एरिना फॉर देम वेयर दे सी कि हाँ, ये भी हो सकता है इसका सोल्यूशन. सडनली आई थिंक 50% of the stress leaves them. Then there are lifestyle changes, breathing exercises. I think every doctor has to be a bit of psychiatrist here, जहाँ पर आपको सिखाना पड़ेगा इन बच्चों को कि कैसे declutter करना है. Teaching mothers have to be doctors, teaching their kids to declutter. Exam on NEET is not the end of the world, or your life partner is not the end of the world. You are very important, and leave the doors open for your daughters. Always. Don't tell them, Etichi Maru.
So when people are stressed, they usually get those, wrinkles.
They get wrinkles, puffy eyes, they get PCOD.
So are they treatable?
Of course they are treatable. See, the fast treatment is fillers and Botox and thread lifts. But they are not permanent. They are not permanent solution. Every 6 months, 8 months, you have to come back to redo it. But Allah Ta'ala didn't make us of iron. We are not made of hadid. Allah Ta'ala ने हमें मिट्टी का बनाया है. मिट्टी को आप जब चाहें आकार चेंज कर सकते हो. सो देयर आर स्किन टोनिंग टूल्स. 200 रुपए 300 रुपए के टूल्स है जिन्हें हम बिलीव ही नहीं करेंगे दैट दे कैन गिव यू बेटर परफॉर्मेंस देन फिलर्स एंड बोटॉक्स. एंड देन देयर आर स्किन एक्सरसाइजेस. आई टीच देम. I even give them videos. I do it myself and they click my videos and they do it back home then. And I'm so happy that 60-year-old female to 30-year-old female, they are getting such toned, faces. See, at my age, every night, religiously, I'll give 5 to 7 minutes, and if I am in a very good mood, it can go to half an hour. But those 5-7 minutes I don't lose on myself every night. If I don't do that, I won't be sitting here because I'm the brand ambassador of
they look at you.
They look at me. I'm at a slot where I have to be very good. For that I have to work hard. You are born all with a nice body, nice skin, but over time we lose it. By our mistake. Otherwise, Allah has made everybody very beautiful.
Coming back to hair now, why are people losing hair, especially the younger generation? Why is it happening?
Overuse of hair color, spas, and there are many things that are happening. And girls do experiment with a lot of things. And the outer beautiful protective keratin sheath is destroyed. And that is one reason. Number 2, not right kind of shampoos, not right kind of hair oils. Because hair oils have to be very light. Anything perfumed, anything heavy is a bad news. And hot baths, again stress, and keeping the you don't जैसे कश्मीर इधर pollution उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. Even once a week head bath is enough. If you have an oily person, twice a week is enough. Rest of the times just stand below the shower and use simple water to wash off the dust. And there is a simple hack. हर घर में Lipton की tea है ना? Every home has that Lipton tea. Just boil it. And just a teaspoon of tea, boil it, dilute it in water, and give a last rinse with the tea water, tannic acid. Every home has dahi, yogurt. Once in a week, put that dahi, just put your hair oil which the doctor has given you, mix it well, a dash of lemon, apply it as a hair mask. And there are, for people who are very busy like me, there are ready-made hair masks. And then we have a blessing. We are all rice eaters, aren't we? So like we do it at home even now. हम चावल का पानी निकालते हैं जिससे कश्मीर में शिवना अनमा.
Yes.
Just collect little bit of anma. Just grill a banana into it. एक एग तोड़ो उसमें, थोड़ा सा दही डाल दो उसमें, एक अच्छा से हेयर पैक बनाओ. संडे के दिन भी a bit messy for 1 hour. Apply it on your scalp. Wash it out with the anti-hair fall shampoo.
So oil is not enough.
Oil is not enough. When your body needs food, your hair also needs food. And eat a balanced diet. Water content in foods में ज़्यादा है. Have a colorful platter.
So there are treatments that are done with minoxidil or PRP like treatments. So what's your take on them?
See, depends upon the severity of the hair loss. Minoxi is a good choice, but then we have to taper. If you're starting with 5%, then we go to 3%, then we go to 2%, and then we go to 1%. Abruptly, patients are saying that we were using 5% Minoxi. The moment I stopped it, my hair started falling. No, it's the wrong technique. There are certain drugs we need to taper. Now we have shampoos who have Procapil in it, who have Redensil in it, because the companies, it's a wild field, it's a
Yeah.
shark tank. Every new company, every brand is making products that are result oriented.
Okay.
Because patients are really spending a lot of money on good products, so they really, work hard to come up with very good products.
Yeah. Bleach, that's very common in India. How do you see it? Because I think every other person, both males and females, apply bleach to their skin. So is it safe?
Now this is something I really want to talk about. Does any female use bleach every day? No.
No.
When I ask the patients, they use it every 3 months, and some of the patients say, "Ma'am, जब party पे जाना होता है तब लगाते हैं." तो once in a blue moon, if you are using it, मान लो अगर कितना भी aggressively आप use करोगे, 4 या 5 बार साल में हो जाता है. But in fact, there are certain creams, and I have seen some prescriptions. Those are more dangerous and harmful than the bleach. अब bleach में भी किस्में हैं. There are fruit bleaches. There are Korean rice bleaches.
Okay.
They don't harm. But patients should know about it. And then the bleach is something, party peel जैसे है.
Okay.
Like we have party peels, So that doesn't affect that much. Again, I'm saying that depends on what you are using, how many times you are using, and
The
the
quality.
kind of for the skin you have.
Yeah.
Bleach is not good for skin, I would rather say it. But इसका एक फुग्गा बनाना, and that is stupid.
Yeah. So regarding Botox, like, should people go for Botox or not? Because there are a lot of people saying that
I can't say anything about that, because that's a personal choice. This is a choice you make. A person who is ready to spend 40,000 every 8 months and use Botox, be my guest, go for it. Women who are using fillers, but over the time, you see, I can't name the Bollywood stars, even the Hollywood ones, they don't use halka fulka, they use very expensive brands. And you have seen many Bollywood stars जिनकी शक्ल ही बदल जाती है. Suddenly you see they lose their innocence, they lose that natural beauty, and from a distance of 500 yards also you can make out that person has done a filler. All it depends upon personal choices.
Okay. So is there a safe way to lighten your skin tone?
Of course, all ways are very light and very harmless ways. Depending upon what is the path you follow. If you want to lighten your skin tone, the journey starts from the food you take. जितना भी packaged food है, जितना भी bottled food है, tinned up food है, avoid that. Go to the real ancestral food. यहाँ हम भूल गए हैं नुनर, obuj, kras, those are all antioxidant, anti-aging foods. Switch to the roots, जो हम पहले खाते थे ना, साफ सुथरा घर का खाना, दही. Fall in love with yogurt. Yogurt is the best thing. Yogurt and honey and cloves. Boil the cloves and then make it a spray bottle. You can add a few drops of glycerine into it, and a few drops of niacinamide, and your brightening serum, anti-aging serum is ready. So these are some hacks which really do help.
Okay. Now I have few rapid fire questions for you.
Sure.
One skincare product everyone should own.
A very good moisturizer.
Okay. One skincare trend to avoid.
I would say bleaching.
Okay. Biggest myth about sunscreen.
That they can protect you 24/7.
Okay. One ingredient you trust the most.
For my skin type, I can speak for myself, hyaluronic.
Okay. One habit that keeps skin healthy for life.
Eating healthy.
Okay. One skincare ingredient you can never live without.
Moisturizer.
Okay. One skincare trend you wish should disappear from this world.
Synthetic retinols.
What are they?
We have many synthetic retinols. I think we should go to the switch to the bio ones, the plant-based retinols.
Cool. One ingredient that people overuse.
Retinols.
Okay. One celebrity with great skin.
Great skin. I think most of them had. If she hadn't used Botox and fillers and changed her face, Katrina.
Yeah, exactly. One skincare myth that annoys you the most.
A skincare myth that annoys me the most are the hacks.
Hacks,
Therefore,
okay.
there was a female who applied toothpaste and soda bicarb.
No. Okay. One food you would ask acne patients to cut down on first.
Sugars.
Okay. Okay. It's said that dermats have better skin. Yes or no?
Dermats should have better skin because, you are the grand ambassador of skincare. So you need to wear a very good skin and you should work hard on yourself.
Okay. Is glowing skin bought or earned?
Earned.
Okay, you're making money. Do influencers know more than dermats?
They think so.
Okay, they think so. Is sunscreen more important than perfume for you?
Always. Anytime.
Would you ever sleep with makeup on?
Never.
Never? You've done this ever?
Never. I've never done it.
Okay. Do men neglect skincare more than women?
Of course they do.
Are expensive products overrated?
Yeah.
Okay. I think this is one such session that I absolutely loved, and I am pretty sure that you loved the conversation too.
Yeah. It was very honest.
Yeah.
ये दिल से दिल तक था.
तो लास्ट में आपका जो लिटरेचर ओरिएंटेड एक वो है, तो मैं चाहती हूँ ऑडियंस के लिए कुछ.
Ghalib, oh, I love him. I think everybody knows it. हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश पे दम निकले. बड़े निकले मेरे अरमान, लेकिन फिर भी कम निकले. ज़िंदगी ऐसी ही चलती है. अपनी ख्वाहिशों को मैं नहीं कहती हूँ रोकिए, अपने ख्वाहिशों को पंख दीजिए, but work hard to achieve them.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was such a pleasure, Yasmin.
Same here.